It's Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, then hi, hello. I'm so excited to have you here with me today. You guys are going to see in today's video how I can see my glucose levels on my Fitbit smartwatch, which has honestly been a game changer in the way that I manage my type 1 diabetes. It's made it so simple to keep track of my glucose levels while I'm cooking, while I'm meditating, while I'm taking Butters for a walk, while I'm showering, literally while I'm doing everything in my life. So if you want to see my type 1 diabetes morning routine with the Dexcom G6, then make sure to keep watching. Good morning, friends. First thing I do after I put the doggos out is make a coffee. I am literally obsessed with hazelnut Nespresso iced coffee, which I take with 2 sweeteners and a splash of milk. After I feed the dogs, I check my glucose levels, and this particular morning I was a tad high, so I did take a correction bolus along with my morning basal dose of insulin. The very next step in my 2022 morning routine is to meditate. I have been super into meditating, and I try and do this every single morning because honestly it just makes me feel so much more positive, and it allows me to have a peaceful start to my day. I can focus on journaling and know that my Dexcom G6 readings are updating every 5 minutes on my Fitbit. The next part of my morning routine is breakfast. Like, I can't live without breakfast. I need like the second breakfast. I'm like a hobbit, you know? Breakfast would not be complete without some sort of egg concoction. And today I made an onion and mushroom egg scramble. Hands down, my favorite part of my morning routine is doing my daily dance party, and that always ends up with the dogs because they're just so cute, and Shelby and Butters love to dance with me. Look how cute they are. I'm about to have breakfast and my glucose is looking great, so it's time for me to take a bolus. Not gonna lie guys, I totally annihilated my breakfast, which was so freaking good. I savored every single bite. Honestly, what morning routine would be complete without a bathroom montage? A nice teeth cleaning session, wash, moisturizer, and brows are perfect for me and my morning routine right now. My sugar level was a little low before my morning walk, so I corrected it with some apple juice. My favorite low snacks to pack for walks would have to be granola bars and like apple juice boxes or bottles, just because they're so easy to pack. And I'm addicted to peanut butter, so the peanut butter granola bars are chef's kiss. Butters and I will normally go for about 2 to 3 kilometers in the morning, and the Dexcom G6 comes in clutch. The Bluetooth capability has made my walks with Butters way easier because I don't have to stop all the time and finger prick myself. Dexcom G6 readings are just right on my wrist, and that's one of the reasons why I love the Dexcom G6 so much. Finally, when we get home for our walk, this is my time where I start checking emails, checking my website, all of that good stuff. This is kind of where I end off my morning routine. Huge thanks again to Dexcom Canada for sponsoring this video. Please guys, make sure to go check out their website at dexcom.com for more information on the Dexcom G6 system. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Puppy! Puppy!